Gulu City tika yope mateko tolme jolo kachoke madit wat moko cheke yop mabuti metum badwe eni bade keleibi division man iba kaunda grounds obikele kit medong yopo kwere kiben lok moken mapol matipi inti ni yop me logange mo chwin ento kongwa chake neno wi madiro kit menino duju.
At
least the one thing for now we can all agree on is the soap to use. He likes that it's big and lasts long.
Anti-economy.
I like that it keeps my skin smooth. Ate alina echovu. And the children like that. It smells amazing. Everyone is happy. Movit soap comes in 4 fantastic flavors. Movit family soap is truly soap for the whole family.
Movit. All day confidence.
Gulu City tika yope Roma malo pe jolo kachoke madit pot moko che kitumpa dweman.
Members of Parliament wanongel wengi duong kade make kilo tiki kade make ki jom kene magu aki regions but duong oni wengi one matter Gulu City we stand a chance to benefit so much.
Lulo chumako kichamia biro piario memakaki ya pachi Masindi Port.
So juane duju pero juane yai Kampala. Gino bino to bino wilo gino maka eka to yeyo gino metero Kampala majara. Dong manti eme gengo tongo yenda duong ame mio kanu rumo wa dong nono.
Kadong party PLU okoro matek Joseph Tamale Mirundi.
Friends and PLU members, especially General Moses Kainerugaba. General Moses Kainerugaba has been a friend with Tamale Mirundi for the last 20 years. They have been so close, even there are times when as members we could develop disagreements.
Amore matea kitin chi angwen nildwa para beach medumia boro mwaka alibro piru angwen ania sande ya kumo itika neno lokange mo chwin ki wanlu television. Kid machel ni anoti yako direct yako chwalme jolo kachoke pat moko che kumalme lobu Uganda Gulu City. Jawengi tika yopone matea kwa chwalme ni anamano binda kwila ni uberi majemu ngomia taberu tiye. Ikini kaberme guwako leo kidong jemu kena pigi tegame guwako yor kompalwak mamiti tutuwale ikarame kachoke mnena deke. Kachoke mana buti meba kaunda grounds matiba deke la ipi division. Indipiru wa boa nika nindapira deke mejemia bore mwakaman. At mogoche kolubu berute kun kanyang lang pigi tego pelwak may kumalme Uganda chok en kilwak may tedero pe wanlu television Ismail Jacob Johnson le mukabero kama yubeberi yeni en kilikit mayuptika wad ko repe kor ka choke madit itum dweni ene
kom karne yup me jolo ka choke me parliament me achel Gulu City cheka wat iruam malamal Christian angeo ulok lalup ko me Gulu City Otero kiat matichika wat kwede City man tutwale kiat me yupo choron
Ena ni mano neno me bero pa parliament ene romo bero nok ne nena rio ento waneno chala weni Uganda okulu wandano duju buberi Gulu City don wan machalo the city authority wanuo utibia chara waloko kwegi tutwale jomatiki hotels lo members me parliament wanongel wegi duong kade make kilo tiki kade make ki jom kene magu aki regions but duong oni wengi one matter Gulu City we stand a chance to benefit so much so jomatiki businesses chat ki will or better taking place
en cheki gen matek total nedo tim biachara me City man mir guti ki kara man me chato biachara gi bot wele magitie kabinum
jomatiki hotel mir unani gi yubo hotel go beru malen one machalo city wabi making wabi nana mero city the entire city timalen went down go forward yen in nature nyokit machalo city tikere Gulu City wana tigwa on babe watigwa on be malen ci don meta berani lwa wa me Gulu City bu kon ko wa kinel ni city wa beru malen jomatiki hotel go nene hotel timalen chamgi yubu malen dogme wa beru ke wa pi culture mamewa joma girom chato jemi ma lobu culture wa machalo wana chuli this is the time.
Miete matek tutwad ni kiket, pero mamako lokum city makinyay gini. Kidong district magyan kunwado city man, chalo gin mampira tek me anyama, ikara me kachoke me parlament, makitika te region kachila chel, malopekil neno pala diet ulok.
Kachalo one Machalo city, one wangayuni city gerati in place, enter tijemi mogoma petika kari. For example, one wangayuni, our city is not fully operational or operational. Hingo, pien kumbeli chawa ni Gulu city tika beri kachiro ki Gulu district. Chiwa tika mitu karone Machalo lega, bot parliament me Uganda, mena ni government or settle in cities, ki settle in the districts where local government man obedi a territory ne to serve its people.
Anton, dulmo kene ma bene kitiro yergi, me mio kon ikar me kachoke me parlament man, bene gen gu wajo ki wanluo TV, kit magi yupe kedem. Gulu Women Mobile Catering Services, matie ba dege Levi Division, i Gulu City, tie dul pa mona chel, maki yergi, me konyo, lok me chum, pi wele magitika bino, i nyamo lok me parlament. Keti ke nyero, en tikaran malo lokum lim, pi dul man.
Wan watika yupe, wati ruan malamal tutwal, meneno ni wele magubibino ni wagwako gimabe. Machalo wana chuli, chambo mete kwaro, wabiteru, kariwa cham mogoma dano de maro terika bet pete kwaro, wan tiki ngech, waberu ka nongo training kare ki kare, chi ngech miteru watikere.
Keti unyao dul wele magitika bino, ni mirgen gubera tera, me chamo kway cham moki ken, mapol kar gen gi winyo. Ni actually tie kwedem.
Pon kal ke kokuno na wan wa yubu ma mege madong ma mwaka gi o piara bi chele go be jiyo ye komge. La koro la kili wi mutwo magarubu ko ba ko kwe ka chuli ki komiti ken ge chinem chal kwango be we mo kan ge charo kuno. Kwe champa chuli duong mala kwangi la luinyagi ka jomo yang pia gubilo bo wan wa romu tetu bo achiel ento no wa teri style no pat ma romu wa bero
Kitung chel Moses Nokran tela der nyo engineer chel ma kampo ni mamege me World Foundation of Uganda Limited kemi dok teach me yupu choron dakpen and tiro kit ma teach che ka wat kwedem
stage kamala wa o yeni Gani don't teach football, don't teach mini a chili can for Taiwan. She was milk and a wall curing my bear, they were painting. Duration me curing or 12 minutes, a beer shade. No, I'm handing over. Can't you, Dr. Ron Bear, Chelsea, Urino Pacho. Ma sitting tie ario ida big tie squatting. Okay. Yeah. Ario sitting tie pa people with disability.
Nyamulok me parlament, mabute me ki region, ubuchaka ke Gulu City, ni de piero babongwen, kini ano dwe piera dek, me dwe man, pi Wanluo TV, i Gulu City, and Ismail Jacob Jones.
Dul panagwa coach maya pach municipality gumaro kicha maramugen mia biro piare me maka makwa kia chuli ka jel kilao maka manager ki Kampala doki woke ki masin department ki feri piani mono wir pem karuma fude karman kilor wa pera maka ki madon kiteno entul gwak be biro tiar pengo ke maka magi duju gen ka ver mia biro piarioni idig wakone ya pach municipality kikunu Jasper Ikwelo berkalu bokolo ken kore en kililok mo biro doge iyup melorange mo chuny itkanene wenki Wanluo television
yena da kono konyi mi kotwe kere gengo yamo akore igupa duong reto wuda jo medo kere miyo wen kere leyi metim bere kere kana moro bere yere pola yen magi kom karman tiya medong welgyo da hanok pien jo to de wango ke makar wang makar magi ame rwame to yir male ilo bulang kera choli kana me jo pol da dong ti don ka ye ti mo bia char mere tim man kono ti mo kala la ko ikoko mi kot chwe pien yen me mir mi kot chwe ti ame dong to ko mana we ho cheng dong ti rien te balo chim a jo ame ti poro George Abdul amobera RDC mapach doka bowi RDC dusio amati lang en kono tero mira president Yoweri Kagota ikom wang makar
Uli po yung nabe President Museveni ubino doon nyo kala shell kede order amo dia lo ni executive order na madek memo atutumia rio kede pia rewe dek amegeo ko pe chato makar iye yo makar tumalo me Uganda me atera piko pe chato wil amo ye yo to hapuki mie cheli wiye puki pia bich wiye
makar magi ame wili lo blanc kede chole rotero Kampala kun no bea kede wipe me karuma mogo rengol kede masindi pot feri ameti apaj pien wel makara ti Kampala timalu ento ikom karman kona me yo me karumba ti amo gan to ka don bea ka yere ikom karman jo ti ama dong abe apaj abudul amo ber RDC mapaj otirngo ame gen go kuch chameti lang onuongo dong ni manano moto ka meti abe apaj ngolai masindi pot feri wor Kampala utia medong utero
donga umacha wana to be meeting region wa me regional security amobero lera ame division commander ma big me UPDF na ye chairing otono ngani makare tia donyo tia beo masindi pot feri bor wakan ikara me karo ma jo geo do ikara me wana be meeting otomo ko ni miro ke checkpoint ame UPDF abedi ye me konyo waneno to ke me tia wori feri ni ena me tia ye makar miro geng
ilo kere wan lo television i chenga dek abudul kono ko bani manan iyo ngeti kere mo nyama kereo i masindi pot itute manen no motoki ameti awot kuna hango amegino tutero i motoke magi en kono tir ni manano
utoka roma biro ubino maho gyoko eka makara me wando tikede mo offloading onyokero pin polisi kano tie puki mia biro kede piari ono en tutoka rioko tie me puto kero makari i ame muto ni biro mende donc wana binda nuo ni dunga makara me obino ni ametikano oto hachiel kiken ena yobero ma pai otoko ken ni duchu obero ena menutia ya itutu amoro tutu pade tutu noya tu ajumani so jone duchu bero jame ya Kampala gino bino to bino welo gino makara eka to yeyo gino metero Kampala ma jara donc mantie me gengo to mo yenna duong ame mio kan rumo wa dong nono
iko makar magi amo ber kere kare me mako i chabira ngwen ame karne jo jabudul RDC mapaj otiro ngo ame gin go kucha mati ilang kera padang otidong wotimo iko makar magi
one omio to ergo DPC mapaj CPS me presenting makar ni bot court we court me watwer me chat makar yen polere wo go jo wa kane ame rawti gin kede metel
Tingman menen no ni manano yen na me oba chwe dok konya te ki mi ko chwe kere mi dano ber kere kare menungu ya me weo ogwo haber pe oto me wak wanga makan tingman na mo tingmen natural forest society en na me tiama boyo ya pach kono RDC Abdul otirngo me joma ge dok kom karman tiama tiyu ama weho kom me makar tiama dong o yirmalo.
Now in our meeting we realized some of our officers who are based at the ferry would try to apprehend some charcoal trucks because they would transport usually during night, and very early in the morning they would use the first trip to be taken out of a patch. Now they would tell us that these people are cleared by the National Forestry Authority personnel based in a patch. We intensified our intelligence, and of course we realized, because right now we have opened a file at CPS, the GF, and many of these transporters of charcoal, the commercial charcoal dealers, are giving us information which may lead to prosecution of some of our NFA staff who are based in Apache, because they have taken it upon themselves as a commercial, as a business for themselves. Sometimes even when they impound charcoal, it is not clear where they sell it, how it is auctioned. The whole information is not clear.
Abudul dang ota ber kare metito ngo amo tich me natural forest society ameti apach otiedo ngo timo amo we jo amedong ti mogo yapach kono ko kere kom wango yen me makar ti amedong timo alale yapach.
But even as we talk now, we have realized, for example, some people are cutting illegally burning charcoal in the range, some portion of range. And what they are now resulting into, they use some of our entries in the Nile to transport this charcoal through the canoes to Kiriandongo. And thereafter it is collected and the trucks would come and they would be taken to Kampala. So we are already discussing how best we can curb this illegal entry so that we completely discourage environmental degradation, especially cutting trees when people are not even planting. You have seen the first season in Apache what happened. We planted crops, but because some of our places are bare, rain disappeared mysteriously. And now the second rain, we are not sure the second season how it will take us. So we want to call on everyone to help us in the fight to preserve our environment. It will protect all of us.
Piwanlo Television, Jasper Gwel, Apache District.
Ikariman madano entika tikidwan malo ikomelo kerpa monwe ko bedbena gona ko nonkono yo meber ki ko mabeni dul meke ya Uganda International tiro yar project mabid mambo kono mataki lo kerpa mon kele mono project man kilwoni mono gender equity and resilience project gia yo matek tema dango kerpa mon Dr. Kono kigeni obuguru ko mon maramgen ali perde ko kemia bichil isiti me ruwa kitergo West Nile kidong gulu city matia joli ikin kaber moken mapol Yubma netiki biakli mechiling billion pau ya chel tona chel ikar maka yar kia ro city la church mamewa Robert Adiga beruche kuno enkele lok matote kum yubman pimoni
Yik majuluongo ni ya gia ya jubeshike teitish makon kenwango jubeshineno ni ya onguma dongo mitedero jutiyo kugim mania ya ikinde utie jurotaladini jurotalamite kwaro mikungech mitish shing ni arado mikuponji miloko paro neno ni ya jumamego magitieka ni timo kuloka ginwango soko pejam luor mamigi magitieka ni luoro isa me yabado yikne kudisiti mamirarua na hume ashara mauteja wi yikne kudidul kea washinia ya yikne manyen magiwokode obino yoringe yik mineno ni ya arado kujumamon ginwango ngeshikite mikwo maber
previous 5 years interventions we have had and learnings. There are still a number of gaps, but some of the key unique features or added value that this particular 5-year initiative brings in these same locations is one, we want to support the female entrepreneurs engage in dignified sustainable livelihood interventions, but above all, but also the other gap that we observed, that is minimizing their level of competition and market opportunities for their products, is in terms of registration of businesses. So this project is also coming to support the small-scale women entrepreneurs to have their businesses registered by the government of Uganda so that they can be able to compete out there in the market.
Paula Vico, Mautia Community Development Officer, P District Miterego, ufoyo makwedul kea ni wok kukodi yik makumeni maobe shikonyo makwed dhano magitieka ni kuo kudi I district na itenge Miriam Oshan.
And we are very passionate to cooperate with the partner to ensure that what they are bringing to our plate come to pass successfully. Terego District still has a big challenge in terms of gender issues, but most important thing I would put to our attention, and I'm very happy that it came out clearly in the presentation, is the male involvement. I think the male involvement should be now another song we are singing besides the empowerment of women.
Victoria Adiro, mauteja ratish maneno tenge mitisha kudisiti mamirarua, ende ebedu tia isawa meyabo yik eni, ende ofoyo makwedi lokea, man seford pi woko yik, malako kwa opadhanum.
Right now, if you go to our communities, our women are doing so well. That one I would want to say to this gathering that if you go to especially Central Division, there are so many women who have benefited from the WAVE program. So we are believing that with the coming in of year, more are going to benefit. And we are so hopeful that the men too are going to benefit.
Jalup kor town clerk Migulu City Bernard Apollo Opolot ende efoyo makwe dilokea piwuok kodhi yik makumeni man paro pi yik mikela loka ikuopa dhano itedero.
The bigger the population, the more the challenges. So you are happy, but you know that to address population issues, like Thomas Malthus once said, that reducing a population will take war, diseases, etc. But maintaining it is another uphill task. So we thank KRY because as we concentrate in the cities, as we concentrate on infrastructure, hospitals, roads, these aspects of community empowerment tends to get less prioritization. You know that, like my colleague has said, the budgets in government are limited. When we start planning, our planning is skewed towards structures, etc. We forget the mind, we forget empowering communities in terms of all these things that we'll be talking about today.
Yik majuwo kude nyien nia ya obeshikonyo dhano magitie kane bedo i Central Division isiti mirarua manzelo ne dhano magitie kane bedo kudi yoli itejago mirumugo ke yik en obeshikonyo ringlwing karachelo kuda nyoli magitie kane kuo kudo ringlwing kudi siti migulo ke yik ne obeshikonyo dhano magi bedo i peche la ro division.
Ijogo chuin luak mageberio moro district ber karoro yot ko mikare kare wake geng tuo moken mabino pora tuora chupu dana chuva makelo bene wato mana dana pon yang yema be kin dan mapul matika time tedero Lokman MPP mon mayo moro district mo Catherine Lamwaka yo kati kwere ikare mo limo otiat Bobby Health Center 3 kaben la tiano chero limo otiat Logi Health Center 4 wangiti district mamega yo moro men yankete mike kon me yot ko modana magitikin pachi en beno tero kony makene makemi bolwak magitino kon me yot kom kuno twale pe meke man lutino magitie yo moro district wanen kong report man kombiti kore
Roto yot kumi aye gin mapire tek wege beru makumi yot mano wego ke choko chin luak me umoro district me kare duchu neno negi roro yot kumgi e kid ma mite kare duchu mego Catherine Lamwaka MP madaro pi luak me umoro district wajani yuman time ilu lok me yot kumbor lute der makero gi pere menongo kony me yot kum mamite wego gi kati ka yupu kony man
Lok me yot kongo en chabit me yot kum me umoro mana kati kere ni. Wakati kere kon lubaro madit madoro wiwa chabira chele na koduju era ini yot komwa era yelonyo wa. Dong miete ni wati matek me gengo tuo magenge chango tuo machange weri umoro district alaga beri ye don lobo bin. Daga mirni awachi man lek kama kati kere meten nuko jomati lo kayorkom. Amirni awaj putuni wan machalo tela wirwa me parliament. Patiga tij matek meneno ni ere amadare lokum yorkum palwa riemuchan wan paletiano ubero kien mapira tek mawake mekere kare tuju.
Stephen Oringto, Dr. Madit maneno lok mayot kom Yomoro district wajoni lu daktari ngu aki uri yori mapat mago bino gibiberu Yomoro district pecha bira chel kolo miyo kony mayot kom menono pi mutuo mapat
Twal Fortual bot MP wa Yomoro Honorable Catherine Lamwaka pikelu kony enini chok bot wakwa ka oneno odi yadiwa tiema na and outreach ma Chwali community kicheli chela dida and peberu no gwaro kony mapol kit enini wen so kenen camp matie kit enini kelo services choka dida bordan kelo services chok bordano wero dano bedu ki kar minong kony maduong ikabela chel manotie pero matie madira e pero lo kumya gamente ubero kanongo tetek mimi yari jana odi yere uma patare chaka way mo aka mo karani yadi mani birno tere tutwal ko bela nongone so kenen konti kuman ma MP wa kelo do konyo wa ki yat mano eno mi wera da lutuo ibere ki kare minongo ya
Douglas Peter Okelo Okao won koma beach me Omoro district oterni lok me oyat madit I Omoro district put pere mamiro koñ meneno kit me keromo ilukwere rompa odyat ma pat wero il lok me yot kom
wape ki district hospital machalo moro obero kogo madit bor gamente me Uganda e loko mbero ki district hospital machalo gamente me Omoro. Me ario wano lego gamente ne bubi el center 3 mawati ngere enini omero ke merwo me omalo odog machalo el center me angwen kun konyo luak mati e Toji County. Lega ni eni futi bor gamente me Uganda walego ni kilub kore me adeg mego wange mabe ni gamente kombeti awani el center me ario duju Uganda mero bepere Omoro district kakany furwa tige el center me ario lega wa mego machalo gamente me Omoro district bor gamente me Uganda ni el center man me ario ma kwano gi duju ni omero gamente ye ke merwa me o chere el center me adek kun lobe ge policy pagamente.
Susan Adong dano me kulu tiet wajoni lok me chente owego luak ma pul ma ite der pegi romo nongo kony me yot kum mabe chi kony man pire tek bod luak chalo en
peka me wano te der no ti loka chene pe me wore or yat weho dano tuo dale lingang naka tuo no na naka to ero chalo ba eni mego tino konyo wa mi wa no kony chalo ba na wara pima wora angeo yor koma nene ni ayeda hamero woda pimu gin mukana to panyo ka ti late yana mero ni a shaking koma we hange yor koma
kony me yot kum man ma obiter tabira chel kulu ni dud me Cancer Institute o yad la cho o yad ma dit me gulu reproductive health taso kachel ki od yad mo keneni ayegi ti kamiyo kony me nono bod luak mete dero mati Omoro district Piwan Luo TV Jonisani Uchaka Chon Omoro district
Dul michi bie makilone wono Patriotic League of Uganda pile yomachek matiratie pa General Mozi Kainerugaba ukati kwana komo pingat mono chono bela konko present lo kompoko lo angea ma obero karan kibenda lok papati meno manne Joseph Tamale Mirundi ma oto ichiario geno wen mo Mirundi bengat mono loko matek riak dok lok mati ma okelo don madit board party makilone Patriotic League of Uganda man PLU kachel kipati NRM Karamono and Fridit Chalawe Karan Pipokolo Rangia Office of President Yoweri Museveni Mauberie Pimwara para Dekolo Ilobu Uganda kan Fred Kajubi Oberte Yup Melokelo Cholo Rangia Man Metitoket Gibi Yakwere Komliel Patamale Mirundi Igara mekita lokelo jolo rangia tini la kongo won komme PLU Toyota Nuagira Minister Matile Pilo Kombulu Kiloteno Bala Mabaro Gahara Frank Gashumba Kijumuken Mapol Gubertie Yupman Geno wani wigipoi Mirundi Talangat Mano Tiwi Madit Metela pa Patriotic League of Uganda Man PLU Geno wani monotona wero bu madit to almo don party man ngana mbochulo yoro yodong food petiem Gen go berka lok me kwana kum kipi meruni go wani mono eno beru ngat mono riak matek dok tiyu ki miri mamege me mo lok mod kabene du berka don matek miri papiyel yu Buganda kidong bene obela chwak patinare madito twal pikare malachi lobu Uganda kan El notie ke mit me lok dok loka che lok dano weng nyang kun en loko moti duan mamol dok pole onokari kai de karimiro wang menyang palok Patamale Mirundi.
Tamale Mirundi's fight and cause will never be forgotten. Our hearts go to his family, to his friends, and to LU, PPLU members, especially General Mozi Kainerugaba. General Mozi Kainerugaba has been a friend with Tamale Mirundi for the last 20 years. They have been so close. Even there are times when, as members, we could develop disagreements. But then he keeps reminding you that that one is your elder brother. We have had the ups and downs with Tamale, but he was a frank man. He would believe and speak what he believed in.
It's on a sad note that we lost one of our founders of PLU, our big supporters. Our big supporter who has started the PLU, he has been Tamale Mirundi is a guy who speaks his mind. If he has a point, even if you do what, he will never change it. And he will stick to his point until the last. He has been a support of NRM, a support of PRU. We have lost an intelligent person. And as PRU, he has been our spokesperson for Buganda. And we shall always miss him.
If there is anyone that has supported General MK from the start, it was Tamale Mirundi. Mirundi was extremely knowledgeable on each and every sector. As PRU, we send our condolences to his family, to his friends. May his soul rest in eternal peace.
Ingela chen go tero kono yup ket ma yego beru tie kwere go ane mono piene eno beru ki pachi mapol liel pa Mirundi pe miyo pe biter gankal pa pati man ento gibiter ka beru malo paro yobo dok loke duju ki ber ki yego yeke iket kilo paro ki ken pe dana tani ki beru tie.
Onwards to the burial ceremonies, since there are two places of mourning, two homes, we saw it better that they go to the homes instead of coming to the headquarters. And
Party man bene gunyor war ki chwak mate kono pi President Yoweri Museveni maumi kono nigi yik Mirundi yik maupore doke war twal.
Greatly over years for allowing to give Tamale the best decent send-off rate from the time he died. He has paid his hospital bill to nil in totality. That was confirmed this morning as well. Said he has paid his bill and is also catering for the meals from yesterday till when the body is taken to Kalisizo.
Toyota Noah Girawa ni mono pil yube meta America miyo chwak ke ben go butiyu kachel kelo pajo pa Mirundi konene mono pebe wego genata ikare man mekuma megini.
We shall always miss him and we shall be with the family. We shall be there on Sunday on his last day. So all our supporters, those who can make it to Kalisizo, please let us go and show solidarity. We are going to his home today to join the rest of the friends and family. May his soul rest in eternal peace.
Joseph Tamale Mirundi utoi chiario ki otet Kisubi Hospital dok en onotim waga piara bitel. Pelogange mochuin ewan luo television Fred Kajubi. Ilongangea mamaro biachara dano makigwoko gweni maikin gang ene makiberi yo Modoi village mati Ochero sub-county Kabaramailo district igiyo materni yapo project maberi bero megwoko metoko tui gweni mati kin bepajo ene Dr. Moko noko yubman ayo beri UN ita yub gime food and agriculture organization fawe yo machek yubman kiyara tie bolwa kamakiti kin pachi mego kibiao ni oramo toko kono tongweni makaro alibachel la Wachel Doc Michael Onyetik District Meno and Kelly dans le man Pilwak Mayo Ochero Sub-County.
Jopur me etem Ochero atie I district me Kaberemaido enado nantie karachel kede gen me wudo gwen abecho aluber karachel yonge yabo kamenda obino bekieda abeon apapat chuma karachel kede kabeda beko abeon megwen karachel kede winy achia papat me abeon girorom karachel kede megwen enamote ko yabo yadul me omodoi Ochero Town Council atieda I district me Kaberemaido ayika ni enada erionget me fao enada obedie di gerot ni karachel kede jamina metie meneno be okonyo jopur toto mere ametie karachel kede gen me pito gwen ngata da chungone erionget me fao I piny me Uganda Jakait Antonio Querido wacho be
This project has been implemented in partnership with NARO to support local communities in terms of their capability to improve the genetics of the local chicken, but also create a way that we have continuous production of the chicken here at the local level. This hatchery has the capacity to hatch in a year over 15,000 birds, and before they are disseminated to the community. And with this, we believe that we create the capacity for us really to explore the potential that we see when it comes to the production of local chicken.
The goal of FAO through this project, being aided by this facility, is to facilitate access to improved genetics of indigenous chicken in rural communities. Now, this is a hatchery that is just a small component of the overall goal, which will be aided by community-based breeding programs. Community-based breeding program is an easier way and even a cheaper way of facilitating improvement of genetics in rural communities. Generally, breeding in animals is an expensive process, but through community-based breeding, you are able to bring together various stakeholders to be able to facilitate the process of community-based breeding and improve the genetics of indigenous chicken in our communities.
Aso jopur ena wacho be gin kitie karachiel kede gen meneno be pito gwen nyai mewe kitwer wudo sente ame konyoge imiere karachiel kede timo dongo ache apapat.
Wudo tie kede gwen amo wudo liagi dongo to twal kama chato gi liagi miyo wa wudo sente adongo to twal. Nando be project ni obino ang'eyo boyaro bedo kede gwen amed dongo oyaro twero minawa kame otero tale yara bochato twero udo sente moro atut.
Ango ayaro pito gwen du. Anga pito gweno di ako chate di ako ti wilo kede di amanga ngiu. Anga apito gweno no di ako chato di ako konya kede chulo fito medwe.
Imede Kristi. Ango project yo yaro konyango ipacho nango kede chemogo do somi dwena doke yaro konyango kado peko moro tie moto ko gimoro arabe imito di log diet kwanyo giri gweno ni diko tingunyo diko cham kitero konyango kede somi dwena wudo tie be kanda anga chako pito gwen gi di gwen go konya wudo do jo yaro bino de wilo gwen gi di anga wudo sente di anga chulo kede nenyo na dwena isukulu medo kede beunda kame digi doko tut abeungo danga romo chate sa moro kene wudo jote bino wila di.
Ng'ata loko pikompur i district me Kabermaido Samuel Etwa mwacho be
wan bala Kabermaido district amtopono FAO pro eno be onyao kode reme jemi na bina nyien bud jopur bala natin man me nyano kod rabecho me gwen uteke de neno be gimulo be community based breeding program obedo giamo okwanyo jamini atie butun jopur piny doko medo ala volara rom gi diko doko kodi abecho so bana mane otiyo kede jopur nena be otiyo kede gwen wa local so gwen local no tiyo kede tong gwen ate improve neno benyo omedo rom gi pagira doko gwen amenyo tiegi amenyo gi awoto pien for example gwen wa local gi atidi mere tele tumia to mie kany do kama omedo value mera omedo ruomere chima do tumira dek we kanyo otanyim.
Michael Onyinge P1 Luo TV Kabermaido district.
Kakare en report ni okelwa ya gike yub melorange mo chwinyi tinti angwen K1 Luo television ania Sunday akumo metekena na waikare duju man K1 Luo TV.